Okay guys, well the 692 advanced case transplant is complete. Got all of the client's hardware installed, which I'm going to show you guys right now. The back side, cable management came out really good. Front panel connectors all run up through there. Power supply cables all come through here. All our hard drive cabling. The option to have another hard drive here with no modifications whatsoever, just put it in the tray and hook it up. Same with the optical drives, he just needs a power cable extension and he's good to go. He also has room for a 120mm fan in here. We got the stock 140 in the front, blue LED. And yeah guys, all of our red SATA cables running through here, the two external SATA cables, the hot swap and the eSATA. And that about wraps it up for the back, guys. Side panel goes on with ease. We got plenty of room in this case. Okay, now onto the front side of the case. Taking a look at the front. Nothing too fancy. Took a few hours and just swapped everything from the old case into this case. Client wanted a USB port mounted in the back on the side there, so that's what I gave him. 4 SATA cables for the hard drives, these other 2 here for the eSATA and the hot swap on top. Got a front cable, front panel cables there, and a power supply. Cooler Master 550 watt, and this here is you put a different fan in it, so didn't want to really mess with that. Total of 3 hard drives. Get a Western Digital 36GB Raptor. We have a 320GB Caviar Blue, and then we have another Seagate, I believe it's a 250 or 320GB SATA hard drive. So that is the front. Running a Asus motherboard, the Phenom 2 555. He's got it unlocked to tri-core, and he wants me to help him out and work on getting it to a quad core, which would be sweet. Some nice memory in here. Graphics cards in 8800 GT overclocked edition. So yeah, this came out real nice. I'd like to thank him for buying my case from me and let me do this build for him.